Okay, here we are replacing a 2,000 gallon septic tank. Putting in a couple of new leach fields. This tank obviously looks like Swiss cheese, but it's done a good job protecting the public health of the good people of Chugiak. So we're gonna lay her down to rest and bring in a new reinforcement. Okay, we've got in one of our 2 drain fields here. Engineers come out and completed his inspections. Rocking and rolling. Alright, well, we've got the second drain field mostly installed. We've still got to set some pipes and doll some things up, level some rock, but drain field is dug and the majority of the washed rock is in. Just moving forward. Drain field's in, insulating our 2,000 gallon 7-bedroom tank. Making this thing come together. Okay, we're just putting the finishing touches here on this 7-bedroom septic system. Getting things smoothed out, getting all the trash picked up, got all the trees piled for the homeowner, and a little bit of leftover washed rock smoothed out over there for their RV pad. And the engineer will be coming to do his final swing ties and final grades inspection. Everything's looking real good. The system went really well.